Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a video that I haven't done in a long time. Welcome back to another boxing glove review video. Today I've got a quick overview and look at the Everlast Protex boxing gloves, which I have right here. So I have these in the black and the green colourway. These come in a variety of colours. You can get them. I've got the if you notice me looking over here, I've got the page for the gloves on screen. You can get these in black and green, which again I have. You can get these in black and white and black and red. So this is the Everlast Protex. This is Everlast's new Protex boxing glove line that I don't know how long it came out. I think it only came out 1 or 2 years ago, but these are a fairly recent design of glove. These are I wouldn't say they're beginner level, but I would say that they're kind of intermediate. They're not on the Cleto Ray's, winning level of gloves, but they're also a little bit better than a lot of the gloves that you're going to get at the kind of, I don't know, 30 to 40 British pounds price point. These are £84.99. I got these as a gift at Christmas off my parents. However, I believe that I got these from Sports Direct in the sale, or my parents got me them in Sports Direct for the sale. I think they were about £50, which is about 60 US dollars. But again, these run at about £84.99 usually, which is about, I believe, 90 to 95 USD. I'm not exactly sure, to be completely honest. So anyway, let's get straight into the glove. I'm reading this off the website. These are a microfiber synthetic leather glove. They're not authentic leather. Let me just see if I can stop my PC rattling. There we go. They use this brand new kind of hybrid lace system, which I'll get into in a minute. And they also have this kind of, I don't know what you'd call it. It's like almost vinyl. I don't think it is vinyl, but it's like it. Maybe it is actually. You can kind of see that on the palm here. But anyway, taking a look at the glove, it's a more rounded shaped glove, as you can see, with a little bit flatter on top, but the punch surface is very rounded. This uses IMF foam, injection molded foam, which I usually don't like, but this is, I don't know, I quite like these gloves. I've used them quite a lot and they feel really nice. They're still holding up really well. Again, I've been using them about maybe nearly 2 months now, and they're pretty damn good. These are the 16-ounce ones. You can see the Protex logo there on the glove, on the cuff. And yeah, so you also get a textured thumb. That's so you can wipe sweat. I'll get to that in a minute. That's kind of a bit like what Hayabusa do with their T3 Toku shoes. I do have a review for the Hayabusa T3s on my channel. If you would like to see that, you can find the playlist for all of my reviews on my channel homepage. But anyway, putting the glove on, as you can see, these are a Velcro glove. However, they are a hybrid lace system, so that means that these are lace up and Velcro at the same time. So this glove uses a kind of lace system where it's essentially laces connected to a Velcro, and you can see the laces actually go all the way through the glove and through and back through again, so you can pull them over. It's kind of a little bit like, what dare I say, the lace track system reminds me of the Onyx gloves. I know that they're much higher price than these, but anyway, as you can see on the glove here, when you pull that lace, it really ratchets all the way up, and these have an extended cuff as well, so the cuff is actually longer to give you more wrist support. But you can really pull these tight and wrap them. And another thing I really like is the Velcro doesn't really hang over very far, so this gives you some really nice kind of wrist support, and I'll show you how easy they are to actually put on, even, like yourself. Just grab that, pull those laces down, and there you go. And they're really nice. They fit really comfortably. Again, the injection molded foam is perhaps a little bit too bouncy for my liking, but they're really nice. I've used them on the bag. They feel good. They feel good on pads. And the overall construction seems pretty nice. So again, get a little bit closer here. You've got that synthetic leather skin for the glove. They're not real leather. You have this really nice stitching, this kind of green stitching going across, and you've got that vinyl pattern. There's also air holes in the thumb and in the palm. They are real air holes as well. They do work. They're not just like kind of fake. I know some gloves have a little bit of a weird thing with air holes, but again, stitching's really nice. The quality is actually fairly high on the constructions of these gloves, especially with the lace tracks again. And overall, there's kind of like a little carbon pattern on this vinyl bit here. Overall, I just think they're really nice gloves. I feel like Everlast have really done a good job with these. A lot of Everlast's products have been a little bit kind of questionable with the quality control in the recent years, but these I feel are a real good step towards some really great gloves once again from Everlast. So yeah, but that's pretty much going to be it. I know this was a short review, but yeah, thank you all for watching this review of the Everlast Protex boxing gloves, and if you guys enjoyed it, leave me a comment and I'll see you guys in the next one. So for now guys, take care, bye bye.